How to allow editing access. Want some changes or help in your sheets to make it better and you're struggling with it? Getting an editor is always a plus point. Simply go on the ones you have shared sheets with. There you can see the plus icon with a person which is sharing. Simply tap on it. Over there you have shared it with another person. If you simply tap on them, there you can see people with access, view only, owner. You obviously have the access of doing it, changing it, changing or editing. The other person needs to get the access, so simply tap on their profile whom you want to make editor. So simply go on, tap on them, and then there you can see viewers, commenters, editors. Simply tap on editors. Like this, you'll be giving them access to edit.